Hi everyone, there won't be much talking in this video, okay? Basically, it's probably the most challenging and creative content I've ever done in my entire life. I'm going to create a mullet look, yeah, with a system or two. Yes, a very stylish, asymmetrical and cosmopolitan hairstyle that is super trendy. And to finish this mission, I'm going to upcycling an old system, the oldest one I have. And I'm going to giving it a new meaning, a new life, yes. So let's go to the process. After shaving the area in my head where the system will be applied, on top and in the back, I make a mold and transfer it to the lace of the system. And cut it. And it is the perfect size for the shaved part that will be the mullet. I do the normal process of styling a system on top, yes, using tape in the center part of the base and liquid glue on the front line, because I like more realistic, more natural touch. Then I applied liquid glue on the other system, on the lace part, and style it from top to the bottom. First joining one system to the other and pressing very hard to fix it well. Oh my god, I already have a feeling that this hairstyle is going to be a crazy success. After that, it's just finish it however you want. In my case, I use the hair dryer, cream and hair oil. And look at this, I'm simple in love, seriously, I'm feeling wonderful. I looks like a rock star, yes? So what did you think? Did you like this process? Comment on this video and see you later. Kisses.